send you what?
Send me my Jonas Feather pants, my long ones, and send me my jacket. That's all.
And the other shirt too.
And send me my I Love Candy shirt.
Okay.
Anything else you want to do?
Anything else?
And send me my candy. Mommy, send me my Hello Kitty book and stuff. You know that big thing, the book and the pen, all that stuff.
That's it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So, what are you doing?
Nothing. Watching TV. Watching TV.
Can I watch some?
You have TV over there.
Yes, where I am. Am I in the room or the bed?
You're in the living room.
How'd you know?
Because I see the couch.
No, we're not in the living room. I'm in the room.
No, you're not.
Kidding.
And then she shows you the
I know.
couch.
Oh, we have guests over.
Oh.
Hi, Mom.
You still have people over there? It's go what?
Tomorrow's party.
Oh, he's having a party?
Yeah, tomorrow's.
Why wasn't I invited?
Because tomorrow's party.
Yeah, how come I didn't get an invitation?
It's because you are not here. Are you
Okay.
going to come all the way over here right now?
What kind of party is it?
Your face.
I think we're having a party.
It's gonna be at home?
A lot of parties. A lot of people.
Ooh, are you gonna wear a dress?
No. I don't have to dress up. It's only home. I go in my pajamas. I go in my jammies.
I put my jammies.
But it's a party. You can't wear your jammies.
No one's going to dress up.
She's so funny.
I'm going to wear my normal clothes. Jeans and a shirt.
Oh, okay.
You want me to dress up be crazy? Mom, you know I lost my I love peace sign shirt pants. I lost them from somebody.
Yes.
Uncle Kenny's friend, she had an accident, so now she has to keep my pants.
What accident?
My pink.
But why does she have an accident?
Number 1 in her pants.
You did number 1 in your pants?
She did in her pants.
Why?
I don't know.
What are you
That's
talking?
why I can't get them back.
Wait, I'm confused. Uncle Karen did number 1 in her pants?
No, her friend. It's a little girl that's 7.
Oh, and she borrowed your pants?
Yes.
Which peace sign pants?
Remember that one that said I love peace sign and it's pink?
Oh, yeah. I'll buy you a new one. It's okay.
They don't have any more.
No, I'll order it. I'll find it.
Sarah. She knows.
Sarah, I can't see you.
Is she done?
Yeah, she's done.
Okay.
Done with what?
Huh?
What was I doing?
Nothing.
Yeah. Miss you, Sarah.
Huh?
I miss you.
Miss you too.
You do?
Yeah, she made me tell you. Yeah.
Can I have my Halloween candy?
Oh my god.
She sent it to me.
Halloween. That's like a year ago.
You still have your candy, Sarah?
Yeah.
Isn't it old?
No.
It's like a year old, Sarah.
I want some.
Ew.
Send some.
You're so weird.
Send some.
Okay, I'll send you stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower now.
I want to talk.
Okay, we'll call you back.
No. Talk.
Yeah. No, it's 9 o'clock. You have to go to sleep.
No, it's 8 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock.
No, it's not. It's 8:57 over there. That clock is wrong.
It's
No, it's not.
Yeah, look, 7 o'clock.
No, oh my gosh, she's showing us it.
Sarah, say bye.
Say bye.
No, I'm still talking.
Okay, I'm hanging up now. Say bye to Kim.
Bye.
Bye, Sarah.
Oh, she hung up on us.
She hung up.